Hello everybody and welcome your faces back again to CryptoJet, where I'm here to provide you with the most quick and concise reviews on the market. Now on the screen you can see ETC or Ethereum Classic on the 4-hour time frame, which we talked about a week or two back. We plotted out this little ascending triangle and basically concluded that in case the price does break out on the bottom, we're going to see a bearish trend. If it breaks out on top, we're going to see an emergence of a bullish trend, and it did break out with a strong candle towards the bottom, reaching this zone of support down below. Now we're going to remove all these drawings and go from scratch so you can see how I do my reviews, right? So first thing I do, obviously I plot out important zones of support slash resistance. And how I'm going to do that is you can see some difficult price action right here, but generally the zone of demand for the coin lies down here. So around the $40 mark, even though it's not really clear, we had a break above, we had a clean candle going through it. We have a few touches, right? We have a touch here, sort of a consolidation on the zone. And currently we're seeing another sort of consolidation. So what I like to do is obviously move on to the lower time frame, the 4-hour, so we can see what is going on right here. The first thing that I see is obviously a downtrend that's being broken out of. I did talk about this in a previous video. It's very important to have as many touches as possible to make your trend line as valid as possible, right? So we have 3 touches, 4 touches. It's always a bonus if one of the moving average lines actually follows the price. So for example, if you have the price going somewhat like this, right, in an uptrend, and you have the 200 period moving average, swiping a few of the touches from below, that's always a very good sign. So when you see the price next time at that zone, it's probably a good time to buy. Now this is a very, very nice setup right here, because we can see double bottom formation, we can see a clear break of this downtrend line, and we can expect the following. So I like to take out my Fibonacci retracement levels. I like to see where the top of the price is. Currently it's here. If it continues going a bit more up, let's say to the moving average, I'm going to plot the Fibonacci like this, so to the highest point, and then I'm going to wait for the price to go up to that point, retrace into one of my key levels, and then engage in a long position, expecting the price to go up to the next level of significant resistance. What's that level? Well, I can see it right about here. So we can see a touch from this side, consolidation right here, touch from this side, consolidation, another touch. It's a very valid zone of resistance, right? So even when the price is on top of it, it acts as a zone of support. So there was a bounce off of it and then it was broken out of. But when the price is below it, it acts as a zone of resistance, as you can see here. And as you can see, here and here, the price just didn't want to go back up. It was pushed down below. Now, why do I use the Fibonacci retracement tool? It's a common tool used by traders to see where the price is going to. It's basically to plot out the most logical retracement level that occurs in the market using just simple mathematics, which I'm not going to go too deep into it. So let's say we make an order right here. We put our stop loss right below this area right here, and we aim for somewhat of a risk-reward ratio of, 2 times whatever. And basically this would be a trade that I would look to get into in case the price does retrace into one of these key levels. Obviously, we're going to have to move into the even lower time frames to see if we have more confirmations for an entry. And another confirmation would be obviously this 50 period moving average swiping below the price at the time when it is hitting this Fibonacci level. So you're going to learn more about how I trade through watching the videos. Obviously, there's quite a lot to learn. I'm sharing my strategy, which applies to a lot of different markets. And that would be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment down below, ask me questions, show me some support, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.